These are the clip-ins. Obviously, this is my hair. The blend is flawless. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Amika, but you can call me Mika. Today we're gonna be doing something different. I got some clip-ins from Kinkistry. This video is sponsored by Kinkistry. I got clip-ins that look exactly like my hair. So they come in this cute silk, I guess you can call this like a case or a bag. So when it came, it kind of looked like weave. You know when you buy hair and it comes like it's not even real? That's what it looked like. But I gave it a wash and now they look very, very natural. I'm gonna put some clips in it of how I washed it and then when I brushed through them and how much hair I lost. Surprisingly, I didn't lose a lot of hair from these, which means these are like really quality. Okay, so even though these clip-ins are really close to my natural hair texture, I'm actually not going to be doing a wash and go. I'm going to be doing a twist out, and I'm going to show 3 different ways to use clip-ins in a twist out. You have sporty, casual, and I'm going to do formal, so stay tuned. All I have in my hair right now is leave-in. I always put leave-in in my hair when I'm putting any extensions in or any clip-ins because clip-ins tend to dry out your hair. But first, let's get into the blend. These are the clip-ins. Obviously, this is my hair. The blend is flawless. I'm not sure what texture this is, but I'm going to put it right here when I find out. So to start the twist out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair in the back. I part it in the back just like I'm doing a regular twist out, but then before I start twisting, I put on the clip-ins and then I do my twist with the clip-ins in. This is the longest one that was in there, and basically all you do is this. You unclip the clips and then you go ahead and you start at whichever end you want to start. I'm gonna start on my right. Right where you put your part is where you put the clip-in. And then you just close the clips. For these clip-ins, it very clearly tells you do not cut the clip-ins. So I'm not going to. Alright, all the twists are in. Honestly, you really can't tell me this is not my hair. The twists are still wet, but it's still like lightweight. And the blend, like I said before, flawless. So what I'm going to do is let these dry overnight, and then we're going to get into those 3 different styles tomorrow.
honey.